Good morning children. Today I am going to start you the lesson 6. Before starting the lesson, let me give you some instruction. The syllabus for FA3 is 3 lessons, okay? So you must complete the 3 lessons, CW part and the textbook part. Okay, and then send the pictures of it to me. So you are having an activity 2 that is having 10 marks, okay? So what is the title of our 6th lesson? Blue and yellow mixing. So now what you have to do is repeat the title after me. BLUE blue, AND YELLOW yellow, blue and yellow, MIXING mixing, blue and yellow mixing. So what is our first section? The first section of 6th lesson is warm-up session. Okay. So see, observe the colors shown below. What color do you think will you get by mixing each of these? One answer has been given in the poem below. Try out the rest. So what is the warm-up session? You have to mix the color red and yellow. And you have to write which color that will come when you mix it all these, okay? You have to mix red and yellow. Then you have to write the answer which color that is shown. Then you have to mix yellow and blue. Then you have to write which color that comes out. Then you have to mix blue and red. Then you have to write which color that comes out. So if you mix yellow and blue, it will turn into green color. Yellow and blue, if you mix, it will turn into green color. So same as for this. So you have to write which color that will comes. Okay. So now children, read the poem after me. I am making a picture. I am painting a house. And the roof of my house is pink. The walls will be yellow, dandelion yellow, and the windows red, I think. Now I am painting blue on the dandelion yellow to give the house a door. But the blue and yellow are mixing and the door is turning green. Blue and yellow making green. Have you ever seen that before? Who is the writer? Lillian Murray. Who wrote all this poem? Who written this poem? The writer of this poem is Lillian Murray. Lillian. Lillian. Murray. Murray. Lillian Murray. Now I am going to explain you this poem. Okay, first look into this girl. She's drawing a house. Then she's painting the house. So all about this girl's drawing. This poem is all about the drawing of this girl. Okay. So I am making a picture. Who is making a picture? This girl is making a picture. I am painting a house. What is she is making? She is painting a house. That means she is drawing the picture of house. See, what is this picture? It is house. So, and the roof of my house is pink. So, she want to draw pink color to the roof. To the roof, she want to draw the pink color. So, she drawn. The walls will be yellow, dandelion yellow. So see, what is the color of the yellow? So for what she drawn yellow? For the walls. So she decided to draw yellow to the walls. So she drawn yellow to the walls. Which yellow? Dandelion yellow. Dandelion is a flower. Okay. So the flower color is yellow. Dandelion yellow, lemon yellow. Some colors are there, right? So she drawn the dandelion yellow. And To the window she draws red color. So now I am painting blue on the dandelion yellow to give that house a door. To give this house a door, so she drawn yellow. She drawn blue to the door. She drawn pink to the roof, yellow to the walls, red to the window and blue to the door. When she drawn blue to the door on the yellow, what happened? When she drawn like that, but the blue and yellow are mixing. She drawn blue on the yellow, right? So both were mixed and the color turns into green. How the color turns? The color turns into green. So the door is turning green. She wanted to draw blue, but she drawn blue on the yellow. Both blue and yellow mixed and the green color come out. So the door becomes the green in color. Okay. So blue and yellow making green. Have you ever seen that before? Do you really know that if we mix yellow and blue, that it will come green? Do you know that? If you don't know that, you must try it once. Okay. So this is the poem. Okay. So what is the new word? Dandelion. Dandelion is the name of a flower. Dandelion. Dandelion. So this is all about our 6th lesson. Okay. Now read the poem along with me. Okay. I am making a picture. I am painting a house. And the roof of my house is pink. The walls will be yellow. Dandelion yellow. And the windows red, I think. Now I am painting blue on the dandelion yellow to give the house a door. Okay. But the blue and yellow are mixing and the door is turning green. Blue and yellow making green. Have you ever seen that before? Lillian Mori. So children, so this is the 6th lesson. After completion of this lesson, you have to read the poem at least 2 times. Okay, you must practice the reading session. Okay, and so our FA3 syllabus, as I mentioned, 1 to 3 lessons, textbook part and CW part. So you must complete the textbook part and the CW part, and you have to send me the pictures. Then only I will give you 10 marks. Okay. Along with that, you have to do the activity that I have given to you, and that is of 10 marks, and 30 marks is for FA3. Okay, for FA3 1 to 3 lessons I have completed the 5 lessons, and I have kept the 5 lessons videos and the textbook and the CW part on our school app in the assignments icon. Okay, if you still have any doubt regarding anything, you must ask me. So this is all about your lesson. Hope you understand. Thank you.